an Audi A4 2004. So just grab the smallest screwdriver. And you see this gap? You need to just separate these two sections just like this, and your battery is located right inside this. Okay, there you go. This is your battery. I'm gonna remove one of this battery. I remove the used one. Okay. All good. And this one will be there you go. Okay guys, I have this remote for Audi A4 2004, and as you see, remote doesn't work. Okay, I just replaced the battery, but still this one doesn't work, so I have to register. Okay, first of all, you guys need to press the unlock button and hold it when you are doing the whole job. Okay, press and hold the unlock button, insert it into the ignition key cylinder, turn it to on, and in the whole procedure you have to keep pressing the unlock button. Turn it to on for 2 seconds, and then ignition switch off, remove the key and release the unlock button. First of all, this is my remote, so I'm gonna push the unlock button and hold it. Okay, so I keep pressing the unlock, ignition switch on for 2 seconds and back off, remove the ignition and release it. Now try if it works. Yeah. Okay, you hear? All good. We already registered the remote for this Audi A4 2004.